Hi, Bob Freeman here with MarineMax in Naples, Florida. I'm here today to show you the SeaRay 2022-23 SPX. What a great little boat this is. It's a great all-around boat. It's a lot of fun. It's got the new color scheme on it, and it also has the new Mercs. It's powered by the 200. It's a great motor. Let's hop on board and see the rest. Here we are on board the 23 SPX. Let's start at the back of the boat again with the 200 on the back, the Mercury. Great power for this boat. It's got, you pop right up on plane. It's got a real good top end. You'll be very pleased with the very quietness of the motor. Very little vibration on it. Just a fantastic motor, so you'll love it on this boat. You've got a sun pad in the back, and so as far as laying out and hanging out. And then we also have an incredible amount of storage. So this is where the this boat is produced with an inboard outboard, so the motor would be on the inside like this. But when we produce the boat with a outboard on it, they keep all this space for storage. You can put half a dozen beach chairs down here, your floaties, your fenders. I mean, you name it. You got a ton of room on top of the rest of the storage, which I'll show you on the boat. So just a really great feature. You do have an L-shaped seating with a cooler recessed underneath, easy access to get at it, in and out, which is nice. I've got storage under this seat, so decent sized storage there. You got drink holders, you'll notice everywhere. I also have storage on this side, and you can also double this as a cooler. And then as I move to the helm, you've got the Simrad on here, so it's recessed. What a nice, neat, clean dashboard on this thing. It's the days of all the gauges and dials and switches and everything else, everything's pretty much all in here. You got your Fusion stereo on it, so really nice. And let's move over to the head. It's a decent size. You can fit in this thing, and also it's a pump out, so when you do use it, you get a little valve on the side over here. You get your fuel, they'll just pump it right out, so you don't have to deal with that, which is really nice. But a 23-foot boat, and you've got a pump out. Excellent. So I move forward. The bow seating is real. You can put 4 adults comfortably up here, so 2 very nice lounges. And you've got the ankle locker here. And you've got a very large bimini top up there. It's a 3-section bimini top. A lot of boats of this size have a 2-section, but the 3 sections give you full coverage on the inside. So the bimini top's really nice, side to side. It's nice. It's a fast little boat. It'll go take you just about anywhere you want to go. So if you have any questions, would like to come see it, my name is Bob Freeman at 603-213-1194.